Wanna give me some explanation about what you're doing? Huh?
Putting a new turbocharge, new injectors.
Turbocharge, injector, and what else?
It's a little surgery.
Oh, in surgery, wow. And how these things, what is the percentage of success for this thing? What do you say?
Percent of success, 99.
99? You think you're gonna be successful in this mission?
It's cool.
Okay, we will see. We'll see. The doctor.
Or we are smoking.
Okay.
The machine is smoking on the barbecue.
We need this video, okay? Just remember to show us and give us some explanation about what you did, okay?
Sure.
So what is this machine? Is a loader, right? Is a loader, you got it in the auction, it doesn't work, it didn't start, nothing, you're rebuilding the engine?
No, putting a new turbo injector.
Putting a new turbo and okay, I'm not a mechanic, I don't know. Okay, can you just say a little bit of explanation? What did you did? Just a little bit of explanation, what happened?
We just bought the machine, without look at it, without know what's wrong, it wasn't working. So if you're a mechanic, you have some knowledge about bolts and a little bit other things, you can probably fix it. This is not too bad. Hopefully it's not too bad and it's nothing else than that.
And
And then we get a good price on the machine.
And what did you decide to go with an original part of the injector or aftermarket? Can you tell us some details?
Aftermarket, because original 4 times the price, so we'll see that work for now.
So we're gonna see if that work, okay. You're gonna have to look at part 2 of the video to see if the aftermarket work for this machine. I'm gonna give you a tour of the machine so you can see. We are here at our shop. Can give you a tour of the shop. We have another machine here. And what happened to this machine? What are you fixing here? What are you fixing here? There is something you fixing here? This is nothing.
This is the garage for the machine.
Okay. She just sleep here. Okay. Thank you, Michael, for your tour. I'm looking for part 2 to see if all your work that you put into this machine worked, and maybe you can give recommendation to somebody that having the same issue.
Let's see if we can make a run to see at least get it off the trailer.
Okay.